Saturday, December the 6th on the North Shore, and it's crowded as usual, but it's kind of extra crowded because it's the weekend, so we're heading off on a little surf mission with Kekoa Bacalso, and hopefully we're going to find some good waves. The North Shore is home to a few of the most famous waves in the world. There's Sunset, and then Rocky Point, Pipeline, Off the Wall. There's a lot of different kind of waves, but they're all very crowded. There's probably 50 other breaks along there that are still world-class waves that no one really knows about and hardly anyone surfs. So you can go and get famous out those breaks like Pipeline and Waimea, or you can just go cruise and have some fun waves on all the other breaks on the North Shore.
It's gonna be amazing, but you'll be trapped by another one. Gotta slow down. I gotta leave a light on. So go quick, step from a corner. There'll be fallout south of the border. So cool to you, but it hurts like the truth. It's gonna be amazing, but you'll be trapped by the other one. I gotta slow down. I gotta leave a light on. It's gonna be amazing, but you'll be trapped by the other one.
WILKO. I've been on the North Shore for the past 3.5 weeks dealing with the crowd, and today I escaped the crowd and found some fun waves with one of my good friends, and finishing it off with a good burger. So I don't know, things are looking up.